What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka Voice of the People Party VPP kalapan pau biang ya ka jing Pyrshah ka bajur halor ka rajong ka Sorkar Jylla ban siew hino ya ka tulop sya ki nongtrei jong ki lai tali ki Autonomous District Council ADC ha ka Jylla. Habakren sya ki lat pathai ka bor ha ka arpasan trik na ilor u President ka VPP bat MLA ka nongkrem uba arden basayomoy ulaong ngila Pyrshah ru ya ka ni ka senjam ha ka dorbar senrai ka padang syukut syen namarkan pendu ya ka bor sensyar balait lut jong ki ADC. Haka jaka ban siu hi ya ki tulam uba arden ula ai jingmud baka Sorkar kadai ban kentiu ya ka mang tingka na ka benta ki ADC ban pelait sisien pelait ya ka jingarap pisa bat ban penti kena halur ka jing pelait biang por ya ka bahak khajana. Ulak dauru ya ka jing tuklar bela ai da sembut menteri rangba hapo ka yeng dorbar bat kentu ya ka Sorkar bakan pendap ya ka. Katba ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC bat ke Jainte Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC kila banyak kenduk jing hak kaliang ke pisah tingka uni unong ngalam ke VPP ula ong ba ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kadon hak kerdan ke bakhambiang namar ke jingla ban penmi khajana ngi yo I bakanam dan jing hak KHADC lada kamdan ke jing penthut na kaliang ke Sorkar ka KHADC kelas sakhi ka jingkiw ha ka jingpen mi khajana ka jongka ulaong. Ula banjur ru baki ADC ha Meghalaya kilong ki bakerpang bat kidon ka jingadai ka bakhamper ba ka Sorkar Jylla hapo jong ka 6th schedule jong ka riti sensyar kari. Uni uhe ka VPP ula banjur ru ba watla kidon ki put ki sam bat ki jaka balak bandon ka kenrum kenram Henry ki ADC kim thmu na ka benta banyeng Pyrshah ya ka Sorkar Jylla Henry nak benta ban syakri ki pai ba. Ha ka jingyo I ka jong u ula ong bagi jing ki la ban mi namar ki daw san perthei Henry day ban buram ya ka rukam sensyar hi balait lu jong ki ADC. Na luar kata ula pen pauru ka jing sngo scam bakanam dan ka no ka jingating khu hapdeng ki ADC bat ka Sorkar Jylla namar ka jing thmu ka jong ki kalong ban syakri pai ba om ban Pyrshah ya ka Sorkar.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.